Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I pray that all of you are doing well. And I want to thank you for watching my videos. Thank you to my subscribers and my followers. Thank you to all of you that have joined the G&G family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're really appreciated. I am still asking you to like my videos, share my videos, comment, tell me what you think, answer the questions that I ask. If you have not subscribed to my channel, G&G, please subscribe. It's free. If you like me, share the video. Someone else in your circle may like me as well. I went to bed last night with pipe cleaners in my hand. And I will show you the pipe cleaners. I finally put those pipe cleaners in. I tried putting them in loosely so that they don't get stuck and it's easy to take out when I get ready. Before I take those pipe cleaners out though, I wanted you to see the jewelry that I'm going to be wearing today. It is a bead necklace and I tied it. I put 2 knots in it because it was too long for me for what I wanted today. And I may do one more tie just to see what it looks like so you will know what I did. I'm going to tie it loosely. And this is what it looks like. Now I am going to put it on my neck. And that's too short. So now I know it can be adjusted. So I'm going to take that knot out. And this is how I will wear it today. So that's what it looks like. It is a gold, brown, and I would say bronze look. I'm going to take this off so I can bring it closer and you can see that that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to wear my rose gold loop earrings, dangling loop with it today. Now this beaded necklace is in my Poshmark closet. I went into my Poshmark collection and pulled this out. But I'm wearing it today. This is what I'm promoting today. I'll be wearing more and more jewelry. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God. Because He's been so good to me. Yes, He has. I will be showing you the results of the pipe cleaners in the next video. Have a great day.